Hey guys, so in the video I say Merry Christmas to you all because it was my intentions for this video to go up on Christmas Day, but I was having some technical difficulties with my camera and my laptop, so that's why it's up today on the 26th, but regardless, still Merry Christmas to you all and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Barkbox for puppies. Here is the lucky winner of the Barkbox, Mr. Oliver. Say hi, Oliver. So as you all know, my mom got puppies and brought puppies home. As you saw in my last video, I introduced them. So this one's Oliver, and Sky unfortunately went back to her family, or her new family. So also today is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. Sky did leave with her new family yesterday on Christmas Eve. So now today we're going to open Ollie's Barkbox, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead. Can you see right here? So here is the Barkbox. So this theme that they have is the Barkbox times Peanuts. Okay. And I really wanted to get this because he's our little Christmas present, kind of, our little Christmas puppy. Even though we got him in December, or for Thanksgiving. But here it is. Look, Oliver! It's your toy! It's your new stuff! Look! Are you so excited? Let's see. So it says, do your Snoopy dance for Barkbox Day. Hold a toy or treat above your pup's head and watch them bust a move. Film a quick video and share it with us using Barkbox Day. Ollie, come here. Oliver. Hey. Come here. You're not allowed over there. Come here. Come here. I think he's gonna pee. He just peed. He just peed. We're working on his potty training, but as soon as I finish this video, I'll go ahead and spray it. But anyways, so it says, Happy Holidays, Christmas time is here and we're celebrating with the world's most famous beagle, Snoopy, Woodstock, Charlie Brown, and the whole Peanuts gang know that happiness is a warm puppy. So snuggle up to the amazing dog by your side, the one who always makes you smile, and no matter how much the world makes you say good grief. So that's it. And my mom's gonna be really excited with some of this because I'll show you why. So first, let's go ahead and pull out the toys. Ollie, you want to see the toys? Look! Look! Look at it! This is your Christmas toy. So this is the first one. It's a little Woodstock. And let's see, behind the squeaks. Woodstock would love to give your dog this present. He really would. He's just having a hard time letting it go. So it has a bungee, a squeaker. I'll go ahead and take that off. Let's see. I don't have the scissors though. Oh well. So there's that one. And then look. It's a little Snoopy. Oh my goodness. Can he come out? Oh my gosh, he comes out. Okay. So Snoopy actually comes out of his little house. Ollie, look! Let's see, does Snoopy have a squeaker? I don't think Snoopy has a squeaker. Or no, he does. Just a really hard squeaker. Look! Tuck Snoopy or a treat into the doghouse when your pup needs a playtime companion. Or give the doghouse a toss and watch it fly with like a sop with camel. So it has a squeaker, a crazy crinkle, something else, or a multi-part toy. So this is the little Snoopy one. There. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. And then it has a little peanut butter and carob stick. So a little treat for little Oliver. And then some more treats. These are the Barkbox times Peanuts, Franklin's famous lamb chops. You want to try, Ollie? These are wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. Ollie! Ollie! Oh, he likes the little Woodstock. You want to try a little treat, boy? Ollie, try. I don't think he's very interested in it. I'll put it in his food bowl. Maybe he'll eat it later. So this is that one. Okay, sorry. And then the other one, we have Good Beef. It's a beef recipe and dog treats, which are also wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. Let's see if he likes this one. Ollie, do you like this one? Maybe you like the beef ones more, because they're beef. Yep, he liked that one more. He likes the beef ones more. So that's cool, and it comes with some treats, and they're like little training treats that we can use too. And then my absolute favorite that came in with this box is this. He has a little outfit, so I thought this was cute. And also, I do want to say, as many of you know, our puppy of 13 years passed away in May. This is no way, like, I had always wanted to try this with Coda, but I couldn't really afford it, and, you know, we did spoil him quite a bit with toys and a lot of stuff. He was a very spoiled dog, Coda, and I just kind of, you know, if I could have, I would have spoiled him with all this Barkbox stuff, but I couldn't, you know. So it's okay though. Coda's okay, and he's watching us from up in heaven. So let's go ahead and open this little sweater thing. Ollie, look! You have some clothes! Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, let me see what time it is. I have work at 2, and it is currently 1:24. We're fine. Okay. Ollie, can I put this on you? Come here. So this is a little Charlie Brown sweater. Ollie, can I put this on you? My mom's gonna like get so excited when she sees this. Oh my goodness. Ollie, come here. Come here. Ready? No, come here. My mom, because it's Christmas Eve right now, so my mom's, she went to go get some groceries for Christmas Eve dinner, and I would have gone with her, but I have, like I said, work in a little bit, so she's gonna be so excited when she comes home and she sees him in this little outfit. Oh my goodness. Ollie, say hi. Say hi. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail, okay? So I'm gonna take a thumbnail with my phone. Can we say hi, Ollie? Oh, you're biting my lips. Why are you biting my lips? Can you hold on to this? Okay. Ollie. Okay, that's cute. Oh my goodness, Ollie. You're so cute, you little Christmas bear. No, Coda's the bear. You're not the bear. So that's it, everyone. And then also what they have in here. Is they have everything that would be in the box. So the gang's all here, introducing our limited edition Peanuts collection, exclusive to Barkbox pups. So here's this. We got this one, the little doghouse Snoopy. We got the Woodstock with the gift, and then so we got 2 toys. We got 2 toys, and then we got some treats. So that's it. That's all that's in the Barkbox. And we're really excited, huh? Are we really excited? Can you say bye? Say bye. Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Okay, well, everyone, if you all enjoyed this video, this little Barkbox unboxing with me, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of my videos, subscribe down below and go ahead and watch any of my videos that you want to. Like this video and comment down below what your Christmas traditions are if you get Barkbox for your puppies. And yeah, so Merry Christmas everyone, and I'll see you all next time. Next Friday, I think. I'll see you guys after New Year's, because I think it'll already be in the New Year next Friday. So yeah, so I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.